Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science for Everyone. As we're covering the Excel series and let's talk about like common shortcut keys that will be very helpful for doing the things in Excel. So let's get started. Look up, this is our file. As we procedure, as we have saved this file as a important data file. Over here you could see important data file as a name. So let's see what's the common Excel we have the formulas. Let's get started on this. So I do have like collection of important uh, PDF file which we have like use shortcut frequently or mostly from the Microsoft. We have like Control plus W. We could have close spreadsheet option, opening spreadsheet. You could see Control O, and you could see n number of options for copying, Control C, paste, Control V, for undoing, Control Z, and for like cutting out, Control plus X. Let's see few of them. Like we have seen this one. I'm just putting out Control C, copying that, and then Control V, see over here, and again I will be doing Control X, and this will be cutting out over here and pasting over here. See guys, I've just copied ABC and then paste it over here, and I have from here 1 2 3 4. I have just cut it this and pasted it over here. So things will be how the shortcuts will be working, and these are the great things in Excel, where Excel is having n number of shortcut keys which will be helpful for our work doing softer and great and smooth. So that's it guys, and I will be at putting the GitHub link regarding the Excel sheet. Like we have the shortcuts, frequently use shortcuts, and that will be helpful for you guys. So you can download from my GitHub link, and it will be given in the comment section, so in the description link. And thank you, have a great day, and bye bye, take care. That's it for the guys today, and next we will be covering the next topics, which will be like, this is just for the basic, which will be covering all the topics, and hope you got it regarding the Excel shortcut keys. What we have n number of shortcut keys. This is the daily used shortcut keys that frequently used by the Excel users or experts. You could see from pages to like each and everything, like borders, pages, or for we have copy pasting and dragging out, or you can do setup of like formulas, and for adding borders, deleting the data, moving the previous worksheet, so on. This is the common shortcut keys what will be using by the most of the users of Excels or the experts. Thank you guys, have a great day, hope you got it. Bye, take care.